All right, hey, this is Jared again. I still working on attaching these 90-degree ties. I got that one done, and I will show you. I know in the last video I said I couldn't find my driver nut, or driver, can't think of the word, driver bit. Well, there it is right there. I stuck the drill bit in the driver bit, and it fit. And so I just thought, oh, that's a regular thing. Let me set this camera down. I'm going to show you something that I did have a little issue with, and this is what I'm going to do. Hopefully this will be fine. I put the clamp on here, and it's resting against this and tight as I can because I want to get these screws in, because this 4x4 was a little bit tweaked this direction, a little bit. So by putting the clamp on here, my hope is just to keep it in line and square to this 4x4. Okay, so I'll go ahead and take this out. Put this in. Let's see, I'm a little bit backwards here for the camera. I think I'm gonna have to come around. I don't think I can do this without getting in your way. In fact, I'll just move this back. Again, I don't know how exciting it is to see the drill, but let's get this one in. Now I like to get one screw in before I drive the rest of the holes. Just make sure the first one is secure and where I want it to be, and then I'll do the, well, shoot, that doesn't make any sense. I got to go into this board too, and my clamp's covering it. Well, I'll figure that out in a minute. Let's get this one in. Going backwards. Okay. That's fine into there, but I got to get something in here, otherwise it's still going to just tweak, and my clamp is covering those. I'll move that clamp in a minute. Let me get one more in here. I know these videos can be tedious. Feel free to skip ahead or leave some critical comments too. I get those plenty. Kind of crack me up actually. Okay. Okay, let me move this clamp. I'm just going to back it up a little bit. I can still get clamp and expose two of the holes so that I can drill into them. Because remember, this is not attached on this side to this. And I want it to be in the right place. I don't know if you heard, my wife said, when are you going to eat? So as soon as I get these done, it's past my lunchtime. Okay, I need to turn it this way a little bit. So again, I'm at a weird angle. Okay, back it down. Let me get one in. As I said before, I think I'm going to wrap this video up. We'll see if we got a success here. Alright, so that one in there, if we remove the clamp, should... Alright, we got a success. So this is nice and square. What I mean is this whole 4x4 was just torqued a little bit, so this side was just hanging over, we're talking about an 1/8 of an inch or something, but now it feels good. As good as it's going to get. I think we'll be fine. So I'll wrap this video up, finish attaching all these, and then I think we'll be ready to put hinges on. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh, you know what? I did discover something new, so I have to make another video to back up and show you my screw up. I did these in an earlier video, and then as I was messing around with these square pieces, I came across in the box here some washers. So I guess what the heck? Let's put some washers on there. We might as well. So I got to back all those screws out. That won't take long. Holes are there. They're right where they need to be. But what the heck? We'll do another video for that if you're interested. If you're not, skip it. All right. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.